Hey nail crew, I am back. Remember when I did a 4-week update on these polygel nails? Well, today's a 5-week update and a soak off, so stay tuned. This is what we're working with after 5 weeks. Now, they're still looking pretty good. They're still holding on. They are very secure, but Andrea got impatient and she started to pluck them off. And we all know that's bad for your nails. So I told her, stop, please. Just let me soak them off because I wanted to do a video for you guys. Someone left a comment in my last video and asked for a soak off video. So here it is. I'm just going to start with clipping the nails down. They are like cement, they're so strong, and I was very surprised by that because it is a gel and acrylic mix. I didn't think it was going to be as strong as they were, but hey, she played football with these nails. She did her everyday day-to-day life with these nails and they lasted, so I'm pleasantly surprised. I give Modelones Polygel a thumbs up. Alright, so after I cut the nails down, I went in with this metal sanding or drill bit. And I'm just going to, bring down some of the bulk of the nail, take off all the gel top coat, and just try to make this nail as thin as I can before I soak it. What I did notice is that it is very dusty. Now, when you work with regular acrylics, like what I'm used to, there's not a lot of this lying around dust. So I definitely have on a mask because I did not want to inhale all this dust. It was crazy. I'm really not used to all of this dust. Other than that, though, I must say it wasn't really that bad to file off. It was pretty much the same as filing off maybe, let's say, some gel polish or something like that. So it wasn't bad. The dust was getting on my nerves, but other than that, it wasn't too crazy. So pretty much all I did was cut the nails and file them to this point, and then I'm going to have her soak her nails in some acetone.
Oh, one of the big orthopedic guys is going to take me to lunch. He's opening up a new school.
Oh man.
Excuse me? I need to be rinsed.
Oh, don't. Guys, I know my hair is a mess.
We're going to take care of the hair too.
Yes, we're going to take care of the hair too. I just took my braids out yesterday. So, it's good. Oh, God.
Soaking her nails. I like to use a ashtray because, hey, why not? It was only $1. And we're watching...
Oh, shit.
We're watching Napoli Ever After.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, all right, V, calm down. All right? It's really not that bad. We could comb it over. I just washed and conditioned her.
It's damaged. What you expect?
You use relaxer.
What? I used what Zoe handed me.
You!
So after 10 minutes, I took the nails out and I just wanted to see, where I was at that point as far as the nails being soaked off. And 10 minutes did absolutely nothing for these nails. They were still hard. They didn't budge. They didn't budge. After 10 minutes, nothing happened. So I had to put her nails back in the bowl and let them soak again. Alright, so I let them soak for another 10 minutes. So that was a total of 20 minutes. And they were a little bit softer this time. So I decided to just go ahead and use my metal bit and just file the nails down a little bit more. Because even though they were a little bit softer, it wasn't soft enough. And I have so much to do for her today. I have to do her hair, I have to do her nails, I have to do her toes, I have to do her makeup. All for her birthday dinner. So I was getting a little bit impatient and I just decided to put my metal drill bit back on and just file it down a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to let her soak again.
For your mom. And that doesn't make it right. Come on.
You arrested or being kidnapped? Answer me when I'm talking to you.
Look, I know what she did was wrong, but maybe it was a cry for help.
What the hell is she crying about?
I don't know.
All right, then stay out of it.
Excuse Excuse me. I was put in it the moment I was strip searched by that security guard.
And then
I earned the right to tell you you don't know what's going on with her.
In what world would I take advice about my daughter?
All right, so I let them soak for another 10 minutes. So that so far is a total of 30 minutes, and I'm able to get underneath the acrogel. So that's a little bit more promising, but they are almost like stuck to her nail, guys. Like, this could be taken as a good or bad thing. On one hand, you know, there's really good adhesion. You're not going to get any lifting. You're not going to have any nail fungus happening. You know, it's good. It's a good, long-lasting product. So that's the thumbs up. On the other hand, guys, when you want to take this stuff off, it takes all day. So there's pros and cons here. I'm just going to go ahead in with this metal drill sanding bit one more time and just file this product down one more time. And I'm hoping that this will do the trick. One more soak would do it.
Let's see. He's got a daughter. And I see him flirting with all the women in the shop. So what does it add up to?
So what's the answer?
Let me take you out this weekend. Someplace special. Great. Thanks for coming.
I'll be right back.
One more soak.
Molly, you look great.
While I do the other hand. All right, so here it is, 40 minutes later. There is still some of this acrogel on her nails. I don't know what to do. I'm picking it out with this stuff. I'm doing it very gently, though. I am not harming her nails in any way. I am just trying to get the layer that's on top. I'm just trying to flick it off. I must say it's quite some work that's happening right now. It's quite some work. So just be warned, if you get this Model 1's polygel, be prepared to soak for a very long time. Be prepared for a very long takedown process, okay? That's it. I have nothing else bad to say about this product other than it just does not want to come off. Now I'm just going to go in for the last time with this finer sanding bit. I did not want to use the metal one because too much of her nail is showing at this point. And the metal one is not good for her natural nails. So I'm doing this one because it's a lot finer. And I'm just pretty much getting the last bit of acrogel off of her nails and making it a nice smooth surface. So about 45 minutes later, all of the product is removed from her nails and she is finally ready for a new set.
So dry.